Hello and welcome back to Tesla News. My name is Marian and I'm your host today. And today we will look into what to expect from tomorrow's earnings call. We will talk about the revenue, the Tesla Model S and Model X refresh, the 4680 cells, so batteries, and of course the FSD, as well as I would like to talk shortly about a topic why I believe Elon Musk will be able to make a lot of people financial free and independent, and I will tell you why this is gonna happen. And don't forget to subscribe. Only 70% of my viewers are actually subscribed, so please do support my channel, guys, and let's dive into my today's topics. So guys, estimates are there that we have around 10.4 to 10.6 billion in revenues. It's always an estimation, but around about this is what we can expect from quarter 2020. Furthermore, an earning per share of around $1.04 or around $1.08. So something around about that. Looking into Tesla Model S and Model X refresh, I do expect that Tesla will have to give an update what's actually happening. We have seen new Model S, we have seen covered electric cars outside in Fremont, so that could be a new style car that they don't want to show yet. So I think there are clear signs that we will see a model refresh. There might be some announcement when we can buy these cars and how they actually look. So I think we do expect some updates from the luxury segment for Tesla. The same for the battery production. The 4680 cells is something that will be essential for Tesla. How is Tesla able to cover the demand for batteries for anything they do with batteries? If it's the Powerwalls, the mega packs, and the cars, it doesn't matter. The greatest challenge is to have enough batteries to cover the demand Tesla has. So I do expect updates from how the Roadrunner is going since the last battery day has happened last year. I think they have been really fast in adapting and building up the Roadrunner in Fremont, and we have seen some short clips from official Tesla side. So I do expect some kind of estimations on how fast they were able to ramp up battery production and in what kind of numbers they are right now. Furthermore, we look into the FSD. We have seen the FSD roll out over the past months. I have been talking about this a lot of times because it's so exciting and is also connected to the last main topic I like to talk about in this video, guys. So the FSD is the keystone to be competitive in the future. We do see XPeng, NIO, and other companies trying to build on not only building cars, but being as well in the full self-driving segment, because that's the future which decides if investors will stay with a stock or think that a car company like NIO, XPeng, BYD, or whatsoever, or the German companies will be successful. So the FSD rollout has been kind of smooth so far. No big news of crashes or no big crazy things happening that might bring the authorities to forbid the FSD. Nevertheless, I stand still to my point that it will be really hard for some areas in the world to allow the FSD, especially for European countries where I am from. I believe in the US it might be much easier, as it is a Tesla company is from the United States, and I think the United States don't want to make too many hurdles for this company. But I think in China would be another country where they could really roll out the FSD fully, because China has always been looking into the future and trying to be ahead of all the other countries. So the FSD rollout, I think there might be some announcement that it could be a mass rollout, that so not only a few people get it, but a lot of people will get now the FSD beta as it is getting better. And of course, we will see at the end how much of a profit Tesla does. Anything that is not a profit would be shocking, to be honest. with the amount of cars and revenue we are expecting. The question is how much profit they were able to do. I'm not someone who is trying to say that they have to do a lot of profit. I rather have them invested in the future and invest the money they earn into new factories. So here comes the last part, guys. As we talked about the FSD, I think people don't realize yet how Elon Musk is creating something where people actually can make their own business with Tesla and be financial free in the future. I think there's a big future for self-driving cars, people buying a Tesla to rent it out to people, especially in Germany. There has been a lot of years now, over 5 to 6 years, statistics showing that a lot of young people are not even interested anymore in buying a car. I think the same might happen in some areas in the United States, and of course in China. There is a trend that young people don't have the need to buy a car if they are in crowded areas or big cities, or etc., because it's pretty expensive. So I believe if you have the financial capabilities of buying a Tesla right now, you should do that, because the prices with the FSD connected will get much higher, especially the price for the FSD. Because once you're able to share your Tesla with other people over an app, he will kill Uber, and you will be the one taking a pie of this entire revenue of sharing your own car with the cameras inside for security reasons. So I believe there's a lot of money to be made, and I think a lot of people don't realize yet how you can be financial free and making a business out of it by renting your own Tesla, or even buying 2 or 3 Teslas. You have it on credit, you have your credits each month, and then you have the amount of money you are trying to get in. It's the same as doing a business, restaurant or whatsoever. The only thing is that these cars can go 24/7, despite charging, of course, in between. If you do enjoy my video, and if you like that I do more like this, do consider subscribing to my channel. Leave me a comment down below, and I wish you all a wonderful day, guys. Take care.